In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find CD key on Steam this year. This is a full guide. Finding your CD key, that is the product key, on Steam this year is a bit different than it used to be. Steam has gradually moved away from showing CD keys for most games, but there are still a few methods to check, especially for older titles or games that require third-party activation. To start, launch your Steam client and go to your library. Right-click on the game you are interested in and choose Manage or Properties. So in some cases, there will be a CD key option either directly in the context menu or under the General or Updates tab. If the game supports it, a pop-up will display one or more product keys. This can then be used to activate the game on external platforms like Ubisoft Connect, EA App formerly Origin, or Rockstar Launcher. If no CD key appears in that menu, try this. Go back to your library, select the game, and look on the right-hand side panel or below the play button depending on your layout. Some games will show a CD key link here, so clicking it will open a window with any associated keys. Be aware, though, that many newer games do not display CD keys anymore, especially if they are Steam-only activations, meaning your purchase is tied exclusively to your Steam account and no external code is needed or shown. For games that were bundled through third-party resellers or key distribution sites, you won't find the CD key in Steam. Instead, you should check your email confirmation from the seller or log into the site you bought it from. An example of a site is Humble Bundle or Green Man Gaming, and view your purchases to find the key there. Once you have a key, you can activate it by going to Steam. Now click on Games, and then go ahead and click on Activate a Product on Steam and entering it when prompted. One useful trick that still works for older titles: open the game itself. Some games will display their CD key on launch or in the settings or options menu. This is especially true for games that require you to link with a publisher service like Ubisoft or EA. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.